Within the first 30 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign, we've generated 41 exclusive cabinet painting leads at a cost per lead of $36, with a total ad spend of $1,476. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how our lead generation funnel helps home improvement companies consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow their business. Now, our lead generation funnel starts with the right offer, because the biggest factor of whether you're going to have a successful ad campaign or not is going to be your offer. And number two is going to be the ad creatives. And here's our offer stack, which is $500 off this month, limited to 7 homes, is $0 deposit, completed in just 2 to 3 days, and a 2-year no peel, no chip warranty. Once we got the offer, then we're going to go ahead with the ad creatives. Now, this is a video ad creatives, which is just a simple 30-second video. We got the owner on the left just painting the cabinets, and then on the right side is just a before and after image. Now, once we got the offer and the video ads created, it's time to run the ads. Now, we run these ads on Facebook and Instagram, and for targeting, it's pretty simple. So on Meta, we can target by zip code, city, radius, and all that. So for this client, 40 miles radius. For age, we're going after 34 to 65 plus, because these are most likely homeowners. Male and female. And for placement is Facebook and Instagram, feeds and reels only. And we're only running the ads on mobile devices, because over 80% of the traffic comes through mobile, so we don't even bother with desktop. Now, once prospects who are interested in cabinet painting see the ads, we're going to have a call to action where they can get quote. So once they tap get quote, we're going to take them through our rigorous qualification process, where we ask the leads 4 to 6 pre-qualification questions, and then at the end we're going to ask for name, phone number, email, and zip code. Now, once they submit that form, we're not going to assume that they're legit leads right away, because on Facebook, you're going to have people who will fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number, and we don't want to assume that every lead that comes in is legit. So that's why we have our backend automation that's going to send an instant SMS to every lead that comes in, which is going to sound something like this. Hey, John, saw your Facebook form come through for a cabinet painting quote. Reply yes to confirm this is the best number, and we'll book your free estimate. Now, our system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. Once they reply with a yes, then it's going to reply back saying, okay, we'll give you a call shortly to book the estimate. This is going to ensure that these leads that are coming through are serious. So once they reply with a yes, that's where we're going to count them as a pre-qualified lead, and then we're going to instantly send that lead's information to our end clients via SMS and email, so they can call and book that in-home estimate. And that's about it for this video. Now, if you own a cabinet painting or any home improvement business, and you're looking to consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business without relying on referrals or shared leads, I will leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me. We'll go over a quick 15-minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this makes sense for your business. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.